Trinity Central School proudly presents Children's Day 2020. Error detected.
Error code number COVID-19.
Error, children not found in school. Action needed. Plan B, teachers in place of students. Plan initializing.
Location found, bus shelter. Location found, school corridor. Location found, classroom. Location found, exam hall. Location found, kids park. Location found, playground. Mission complete.
Dear children, we all know that this pandemic has brought a lot of suffering into this world. There are so many people who have lost their lives, they have lost their jobs, there is a lot of suffering. People are in bondage, but there is one person who can help us. That is none other than Almighty Lord. So now, let us have a short prayer and invoke the blessings of the Almighty.
There shall be showers of blessing. This is the promise of love. There shall be seasons refreshing, sent from the Savior above. Showers of blessing, showers of blessing we need. Mercy drops round us are falling, and for the showers we plead. There shall be showers of blessing, send them upon us, O Lord. Grant to us now a refreshing. Come and now honor thy word. Showers of blessing, showers of blessings we need. Mercy drops round us are falling, but for the showers we
Children are the precious pearls of the society. Today's children are the future of tomorrow. Children's Day is celebrated on 14th of November to commemorate the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who is fondly called as Chacha Nehru by children. And today, as a token of our respect, we have a portrait of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and we have our beloved principal, Reverend Father Anil De Costa, who would be offering a garland to his portrait, and also we have Reverend Father Ravi Rajesh Serao, Mrs. Magdalena Lewis and Mrs. Jayanti, who would be showering flowers to his portrait. We also have Ms. Jayanti, who would be telling us the importance of this day.
Dear children, warm greetings of the day. We are celebrating yet another Children's Day, a day dedicated to all the children of India. It is celebrated on the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India. He was an influential freedom fighter, subsequently a central figure in Indian politics. He emerged as an eminent leader in India's freedom struggle, and he served India as the Prime Minister until his death in 1964. He was a multifaceted personality. He was an orator, writer, and a great statesman. He was humane to the core, and he was conscious about his responsibilities, and he was eager to serve for the country. Some of you may be wondering why Children's Day is celebrated on 14th November, the birth anniversary of Jawaharlal Nehru. It is to express the concern of the society in molding children as they are considered the future citizens of India. Nehru was very much affectionate towards children, and because of that he became very popular among the children, and they used to call him endearingly Chacha Nehru. Nehru firmly believed that children had a significant role in the destiny of the nation. Nehru's aspirations as the architect of modern India are amply reflected in a stanza that is drawn from the poem Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening, written by well-known poet Robert Frost. Let me recite those lines. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. These lines convey that despite attractions and distractions in life, one has to go on in fulfilling the responsibilities and carry out the obligations. These lines were displayed on his table so as to remind him his responsibility and to fulfill his dreams for the motherland. On this occasion, each one of you must try to inculcate some of the values that Chacha Nehru cherished, such as vision of children being the citizens of India, commitment and dedication to nation building, and his concern towards people of India. Dear children, we see in you the future of the society and the nation. Of course, you need special attention so that you can blossom into beautiful flowers as Nehru dreamt of. This time, the celebration of Children's Day, like all other school activities, is celebrated differently due to COVID. And it offers an opportunity to you to visualize the life and work of Nehru and use them in real life to become strong and overcome the present challenges. Before concluding, I wish you all a happy and memorable Children's Day. Jai Hind.
I can hear someone singing. It is really melodious. Come, let us see what it is.
लकड़ी की काटी काटी पे घोड़ा, घोड़े की दुम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा, दौड़ा 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 धूम उठा के दौड़ा। लकड़ी की काटी काटी पे घोड़ा, घोड़े की दुम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा, दौड़ा 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 धूम उठा के दौड़ा। मेरी दुनिया मेरी दुनिया मेरी दुनिया तू ही वे, मेरी खुशियाँ मेरी खुशियाँ मेरी खुशियाँ तू ही वे। मेरी दुनिया मेरी दुनिया मेरी दुनिया तू ही वे, मेरी खुशियाँ मेरी खुशियाँ मेरी खुशियाँ तू ही वे। रात दिन तेरे लिए सजदे करूँ, तू पाए मेरी जान होके मगर तू छोड़ के सारे किंतु परंतु चौक चांदनी चौधरी ढाबा रात दिन यहाँ शोर शराबा चौक चांदनी चौधरी ढाबा रात दिन यहाँ शोर शराबा आधा है नॉन वेज और वेज है आधा स्पष्ट कीजिए क्या है इरादा चाहिए नान या रोटी चाहिए नान या बोटी मंगलो राम कसम कष्ट हो जाए थोड़ी बिरयानी बुखारी थोड़ी फिर नल्ली निहारी ले आओ आज धर्म भ्रष्ट हो जाए देखी चंद से आवाज चिकन कुकड़ों को तेरी भूख का इलाज चिकन कुकड़ों को यही कहता है आज चिकन कुकड़ों को तेरी भूख का इलाज चिकन कुकड़ों को देखी चंद से आवाज चिकन कुकड़ों को तेरी भूख का इलाज चिकन कुकड़ों को यही कहता है आज चिकन कुकड़ों को तेरी भूख का इलाज चिकन कुकड़ों को ಭಾರಿ ಖುಷಿ ಬಾರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಳ ಕಂಡ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಚೂರು ಲೂಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವರು ಶಾಲೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಭಾರಿ ಖುಷಿ ಬಾರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಳ ಕಂಡ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಚೂರು ಲೂಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವರು ಶಾಲೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಫೋನು ಬೇಡ ಅವರು ಶಾಲೆಲಿದ್ರೆ ಊಟ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವರು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಾತು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಗಳ ಆದ್ರೂ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅಡ್ಡಿಲ್ಲೇ ಅವರ ಮಾತು ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬೋರ್ ಆಯ್ತದೆ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಖಾಲಿ ಹಾಲ್ ಖಾಲಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೂಮ್ ಖಾಲಿ ಖಾಲಿ ನಮ್ಮದೊಂದೇ ಮಾತು ಚಂದ 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 ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಶಾಲೆಲಿದ್ರೆ ಆದ್ರೆ ಚಂದ ಶಾಲೆ ಬಿರೋದು ಚಂದ 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 ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಅವರೇ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಆಸ್ತಿ ಡೇ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಾಳು ಎಂದು ಬೆಳಕಾಗಬೇಕು ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್ ಡೇ ನೂರಾರು ಕಾಲ ಸುಖವಾಗಿ ಬಾಳಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್ ಡೇ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಾಳು ಎಂದು ಬೆಳಕಾಗಬೇಕು ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್ ಡೇ ಈ ನಡೆಯುವ ದಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕನಸುಗಳು ಚೆಲ್ಲಿರಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಕನಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಹರಕೆ ತುಂಬಿರಲಿ ನೂರಾರು ಕಾಲ ಸುಖವಾಗಿ ಬಾಳಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್ ಡೇ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಾಳು ಎಂದು ಬೆಳಕಾಗಬೇಕು ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್ ಡೇ ಬಾಳೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಲು ಸುರಿದಂತೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಚೇನು ಹರಿದಂತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನಗುತ್ತೈದ ಸಾಕು ಅದೇ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಮೆಂಟು ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಚಿಂತೆ ಬರದಂತೆ ಕಣ್ಣೀರು ಕಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲದಂತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮುಂದೆ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅದೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಸೆಂಟಿಮೆಂಟು ಇಡೀ ಲೋಕವು ನಿಮಗೆ ಎದುರಾದರೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನದಲ್ಲಿ ಧೈರ್ಯವನ್ನು ತುಂಬಿರಬೇಕು ನೂರಾರು ಕಾಲ ಸುಖವಾಗಿ ಬಾಳಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್ ಡೇ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಾಳು ಎಂದು ಬೆಳಕಾಗಬೇಕು ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್ ಡೇ ನೂರಾರು ಕಾಲ ಸುಖವಾಗಿ ಬಾಳಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್ ಡೇ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಾಳು ಎಂದು ಬೆಳಕಾಗಬೇಕು ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್ ಡೇ
Hi, happy Children's Day.
Hello, dear children. I hope you all are safe and fine at home. So, what's special today? Today is Children's Day. If you look at the gate, there is no one. You all are at home. But we are here to make this day special for you. I am Sharon D'Souza and I have two more teachers with me, Miss Ramita. Hello. And Miss Andrea. Hi. We are the hosts for today's program and we would like to make this day a special one for you. Dear children, this pandemic has locked us inside our homes. We are not able to get out. We are not able to come to school. And I'm sure you must be missing your school. Would you like to have a look at your school? Come, let's go.
Come, now let us have a look at the park. Come, children. See at the rabbits and birds here. Dear children, come on, let us see the school.
You can see the empty corridors. You can see the fishes with
We have some special people here who bring you every day to school. I hope you remember them. Hello.
Happy Children's Day.
Do you remember these aunties? They are missing you a lot. Let us tell hi to them. Hi. Hi. Happy Children's Day. Hello children. Now let us move to Brindisi block. Say hello to Mittu. So children, let's go. So children, whom do you see in the Brindisi now? Our principal. So let us meet the head of our institution.
Yes, please come.
Hello father.
Hello, please come. Hello children, how are you all? We miss you a lot and we wish you all happy Children's Day. God bless you, take care. We are waiting for you to come back soon to the school.
So children, let's say hello to Miss Tina and Mrs. Celia. Hello Tina.
Hello children, happy Children's Day. Hello children, happy Children's Day.
So children in the office, they are busy, but should we say hello to them? Let's go. Hello Miss Savita.
Hi. Hello children, happy Children's Day.
Miss Veena. Hello Miss Veena.
Hi, happy Children's Day children.
So let's say hello to Father Ravi. Hello Father Ravi.
Hello ma'am. Hello children. Wish you all happy Children's Day. God bless you.
Dear children, we have our beloved correspondent, Reverend Father Claude Mascarenhas, who has always been a support to us. Let us see what he has to tell us on this special occasion.
Dear children, it's 14th November, the birthday of Chacha Nehru, and it's your day, a Children's Day. On this occasion, I take this opportunity to wish you all happy Children's Day. God bless you all. Thank you.
So children, let's say hello to Maggie ma'am. Hello ma'am.
Hi. Hello children, how are you? Happy Children's Day. We miss you so much. God bless you. Bye for now. See you soon.
So children, did you have a look at your school? Did you see your classroom? Did you see your playground? What did you notice? Everything is empty, my dear children. You are not here. The corridors are empty. The playground is waiting for you all to come and play. Your classroom is missing that noise. We, your teachers, are missing your words, your laughter, your fun, your naughtiness. The school is nothing without you all children. We miss you. You are the most precious pearls of this school, and because of you, we are teachers. Our identity is you, my dear children. We all miss you so much.
Sitting at home, you might be thinking what teachers are doing in the school. Come, let us see. Oh, teachers are drawing. That means we have artists. Here is our art sir, Mr. Manjunath. Let us say hi to him. Hi, sir.
Hi. Happy Children's Day.
teachers are learning stitching. Come, let us see. Hi, Moini Auntie. And guess who is teaching them stitching? Moini Auntie. Hi, happy Children's Day. Happy Children's Day. Some teachers are learning music. Mr. Dolphy Mascarenas is teaching them.
And Mr.
Come,
Dolphy
let us see.
Mascarenas is teaching
Hi,
them.
sir.
Come.
Hello everyone. So happy Children's Day.
Children, do you remember what we did last year for the Children's Day? It was so much fun, right? Do you remember what we did here? We had a program organized by the teachers. There was dance, there was skit. You also danced here, remember? But see here, now what is happening? There is no one. You are at home, we are here, and the Trinitorium is full with buses parked. Now, let's have a short glance of what we had last year.
What's happening? Sharon ma'am, I saw you all in some other costume and now you have changed the costume. What's happening?
There's something special. Wait and watch. Surprise!
So children, let's watch the show.
धिन तड़ाक आजा उड़ के सराट पैरों से बीड़ी जरा खोल नगाड़ संग ढोल बाजे धाय धाय धम धम धाय नगाड़ संग ढोल बाजे धाय 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 धम धाय धिन तड़ाक आजा उड़ के सराट पैरों से बीड़ी जरा खोल नगाड़ संग ढोल बाजे धाय धाय धम धम धाय नगाड़ संग ढोल बाजे धाय 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 धम धाय Come on, turn the radio on. It's Friday night and I won't be long. Gotta do my hair, put my makeup on. It's Friday night and I won't be long till I hit the dance floor. I got all I need. No, I ain't got cash, but I got you, baby. Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight. Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight. I
sounds of the streets.
से जहाँ से मिटा मुकाला मुकाबला लैला ओहो लैला मुकाबला सुभान अल्लाह लैला ओहो लैला मैं हुआ तेरा मजनू बन जा मेरी लैला आज चलेगा जादू तेरा मेरा पहला पहला कि ये तेरी बातें डरता है मेरा जिया तू ही बता दे जरा क्या है इरादा तेरा तुझको संभाले तू हीरो मैं ही तो हूँ तेरा तेरी ही बातों ने तो मुलाकातों ने जीना मुझसे मेरा है जिया मुकाबला लैला ओहो लैला मुकाबला सुभान अल्लाह लैला ओहो लैला
नीला भारो ढोलना ढोलना वे रंगीला भारो ढोलना ढोलना वे आयो रे मारो ढोलना आयो रे मारो ढोलना रंगीलो मारो ढोलना ढोलना आयो रे मारो ढोलना आयो रे मारो ढोलना
प्यार के गीत जरा सुन ले ओ प्यार के गीत जरा सुन ले मैं आया रे
हमारे आंगना दुआरे ऐसा मोहक रूप सजा रे नीले पीले लाल गुलाबी हो गए नैन गजरा रे अरे गारे 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 कोई गाँव आया हमारे ढोली छपके ढोल बजा रे ढोली छपके ढोल बजा रे रंगीला मारा ढोलना ढोलना आयो रे मारो ढोलना आयो रे मारो ढोलना
देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई
देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है, चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई, बारिश है या आसमान ने छोड़ दिए हैं नल खुले कहीं। हाँ हम जैसे देखें ये जहां है वैसा ही, जैसी नजर अपनी खुल के सोचे आओ, पंख जरा फैलाओ, रंग नए बिखराओ, चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले।
जरा सा महसूस हुआ एक, लाइफ की गाड़ी ने कस के मारा ब्रेक। हो रहा है क्यों कंफ्यूज मेरे दिल, मशवरा मेरा तू आजमा के देख। यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक बेटा।
Dear children, the very outset, let me wish you all a very happy Children's Day. Today, we celebrate your day. Today, being the birth anniversary of our first Prime Minister, Jawaharlal Nehru, India celebrates Children's Day. And as you know, Jawaharlal Nehru is fondly called as Chacha, used to wear a rose in his pocket. What does this mean? Your life as a child corresponds to that of rose. And as you know, rose is a symbol of love and affection. You too are loved and missed by all of us at school, and we are waiting for your return. Secondly, rose emanates fragrance. It is your presence that makes our life complete. Without you, we are like a library without books. Thirdly, a rose isn't a rose without a few thorns. What are those thorns in your life? Maybe your studies, or maybe the disciplined life that is demanded by your parents and teachers. At times, it may be very hard for you. But remember, dear children, a caterpillar can never turn into a stunning butterfly unless it struggles in its cocoon stage. So, be good and do good. Once again, wishing you all a very happy Children's Day. God bless you all.
of our most special children, that is Children's Day. And the second is we are celebrating the festival of lights, Diwali. On this occasion, my dear children, we all, the entire Trinity family, wish you all a happy Children's Day and also a happy Diwali. May the light of Diwali take away the darkness that was brought by COVID-19, and may we all meet each other very soon. We miss you, dear children.
Happy Children's Day and Happy Diwali.